Alright, what's good YouTube family, man? Today is July 25th, one day before the market opens on Monday, and I wanted to bring you guys some two stocks that I think will explode this week that you guys definitely need to have on your watch list, okay? So with that being said, let's just get right into it. So the SPY kind of had this bull flag breakout, okay? Had this bullish flag breakout right here, this flag, and it broke to the upside. Now it retested all-time highs. It tested the all-time highs. 1 week it tried to break above it, but couldn't, and came all the way back to support. If you see, this is a break and retest of this area here. Okay, so this area here was retested. And it actually passed the retest right on the EMA cloud and shot up, trapped all these shorts who tried to short it right here, got trapped, and it brought it all the way up and closed out bullish for the week. Now, what I expect to happen is some upside to next week, okay? Being that next week is earnings for the mega cap stocks like Google, Amazon, big earnings week of the year. So this can potentially pull the SPY, just carry the market if these earnings are good, which they probably will be, okay? If you can look in this candle right here, you can tell that investors are banking on earnings to be good, okay? And that's the two stocks that I want to bring you guys today. One has to do with earnings, but the chart looks amazing. And we actually called this play out on the 19th when everything crashed. And but it's definitely still some opportunity for it to run. So let's get right into it. The first stock that I want to talk about is NIO. Okay. Now NIO is a A1 setup here, okay? And I want to show you guys the reason why. All right, so with NIO, you had this downward falling wedge breakout, okay? So we had this breakout here, it came up and it retested the breakout. Now what I mean with break and retest, these are one of the strongest things that traders look for, okay? These are some of the most bullish setups. You had this falling wedge, broke out of a falling wedge, right? Came here, retested these highs, failed to retest the highs, came back down. This gives traders an opportunity who was confident about this falling wedge breakout. They was waiting on a retest because they missed this run up here, okay? In the market, everything runs in waves of two. So this is their first wave of the breakout of pullback, and this is going to be the second wave for continuation. Now, if you see this candlestick right here, this was a gap down, okay? This is what you will call an abandoned baby, okay? An abandoned baby candlestick is very bullish, especially when it's at a level of support, okay? Now, this is new support, okay? What was resistance becomes support, and we should be looking at continuation to the upside, okay? So that is a very strong bullish setup on NIO. Definitely be looking, keep that on your watch list. Now the second stock of choice that I want to get into is Amazon. Right. Excuse me, I'm sorry about that. Now Amazon here. Amazon classic break and retest, okay? So if you look at Amazon, I called this play on this is the link to the tweet here. You can actually it's cool, you can line people's tweets up with the trade and view. So if you guys ever want to look and see when I tweet something and then bring it in TradingView to look at the analysis of the day that I tweeted it, you guys can do so here. So I tweeted this on the 19th of July, and I said, Amazon break and retest on the daily. Watching for confirmation if this level holds today. Now, this is the candle that it printed when I said that, okay? We have confirmation, and look at this, straight to the upside. Those contracts paid Really, really good. Okay, so what you have here is a break and retest. Now, Amazon on the monthly looks absolutely nuts. Okay, Amazon's monthly looks absolutely nuts. If you look at the monthly, okay, just ignore the break and retest. I want to show you guys something on the monthly. Amazon has been consolidating for over a year, all right? And we have the cleanest bull flag breakout, okay? If you look at this beautiful flag breakout here on Amazon, I drew that kind of messed up, but still you can see that clean breakout on a monthly. And we looking to go higher, okay? We're looking to go higher on that. So that's just a monthly chart. On a daily chart, it looks like it's ready for the second leg, okay? Because we had this breakout, right? Okay, we had this breakout. If you look on the daily, this was the breakout of the monthly. This was the monthly candle breakout, and this was the retest. So now you're right here, right on this moving average. Okay, it's a perfect time to buy for the gap up way past this level here. Okay, this level of resistance will probably get broken because earnings for Amazon will probably be crazy. If you really think about the fundamentals and the technical analysis of everything line up so good, okay? How I'm going to play this, me personally, I know that lottos on Thursday and Friday hit for this stock, okay? So being that I believe that Amazon's earnings Thursday after close, they give their earnings. So what I'm going to do is buy contracts and I'm going to play earnings because those contracts will be mad cheap. And if we get the reaction that we're looking at, sort of like this candle here, those can take a $100 contract and turn them into $3,000. Because the contracts on Lotto Thursdays and Fridays are very, 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 very cheap. Okay. Let me know in the comment section your stocks of interest for this week. And yeah, man, I'll holler at you guys. I'm out. Peace.